In this video, you will see how to insert dashed line in Word document for resume or for the other purpose. As you can see, there are two types of dashed line. This is the small dash line and this is a long dash line. We can also draw vertical dash lines like this. Let's get started. To draw dash line in Word, go up to the insert option and you will see the option shapes here. Click on the drop down and under the lines select the option line. Now press shift on your keyboard to draw a straight line. By default this is a thin blue line. Now we will convert it to the black line and then we will make it dashed line. Right click on the line and click on format shape. Now under the fill and line, click on the line option to expand the menu. Under the colors, select the option black color or any color of your choice. This width is nothing but the thickness of the line. You can enter like 2 points to increase the thickness of the line or 4 points like this. And under the dash type here, now we can make a dashed line. Click on the drop down and you will see here various formats. The first one is a dash line. The next is a dash dot line. And there are many more to try. You can use any one of your choice. And if you want these edges to be round instead of square, then click on the cap type and select the option round and the edges of the dash will be rounded. You can press shift on your keyboard and drag the line to increase or decrease the size of the line, or you can also rotate the dash line freely like this and make it vertical and place anywhere inside the Word document. Like the video and comment below if this video solved your problem. And subscribe the channel if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like these.